slip away. I should have been making up my mind. I never opened up, took it all in, and now I'm running out of time. Sometimes I dream about going back, keeping all the things I left behind. But now I know I can't change the past, way too young to know the reason why.
Hey my tinies, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I hope I'm makeup by Tiny because I am so tiny. I am literally 4'10" and on my good days I am 4'11". So if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and be part of my little family. So this channel is about beauty reviews and all that cool stuff. So you guys want to keep watching my videos, then don't forget to hit that bell and the notification so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. So with that being said, guys, today's video is actually going to be on this fall or Thanksgiving look. If you guys are going out for dinner for Thanksgiving, then this is honestly like super easy. It took me like 5 minutes to do them, honestly. But like when you're recording, you're honestly like, oh, gotta get this. But like if I wasn't recording, it would have taken me like 5 minutes each eye. So, but with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this Thanksgiving makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. So don't forget, if you want to learn how to get this look, then make sure to keep on watching.
Alright, my tinies, hi, welcome back. Yes, I'm using the Morphe 35V, and let me tell you guys, I got this palette for $11. I don't remember when it was on sale, but literally I got it for, it was like half off, and then I used a discount code that like converted it to $11. So I was so happy and I was so excited that I got this palette for $11, and I honestly can't wait. I really want to grow my Morphe collection because these palettes are bomb. Now, first of all, we are actually going to start off like with this dark maroon shade, and yeah, like they have names on the little slip or whatever, but I'm not gonna take my time to like read it, so yeah. But anyways, we're gonna start off by using the M506 Morphe brush, and we're gonna start off from the outer V and work our way in and use patting motions. And obviously guys, like this palette is super pigmented, like super pigmented, as you can see. So we're just honestly gonna create like a C shape or a half of a moon shape, whatever you want to call it, like honestly. And honestly, just start off with small windshield wipers and also circular motions, just so we get that beautiful nice blend.
I should have been making up my mind. I never opened up, took it all in, and now I'm running out of time. Sometimes I dream about going back, keeping all the things I left behind. But now I know I can't change the past, way too young to know the reason why.
Next shade we're going to be using is actually like this, I don't know, it's like a little brown with a tint of green, or sorry, orange to it. And I'm actually going to be applying it right on top of the maroon shade, and we're going to be using another M506 brush. Like guys, like these brushes are to die for. I absolutely love these brushes. Like these brushes have changed the game to my blending, like no joke. But anyways, like, I mean, it's not all about the brushes, but you can also do amazing blend with other brushes. So I absolutely love how this look turned out, guys. And now I have like 6 brushes of these. They're like the M506 brushes, like legit have 6 brushes. And honestly, I'm always cleaning them up because they're Morphe brushes. So I do try to take really good care of these brushes because they're like $6. And yeah, so just work your way, just go in for it, honestly, guys. Start with the light hand and then work your way to a lighter shade, and just honestly just go for it. If you guys can't do makeup, honestly, just go for it. You will get better, and like, it does take time, but practice makes perfect, like I always say. Like, honestly, it just makes perfect. Alright, so the next brush that I'm using is actually an e.l.f. Blending brush, and I'm actually just using this brush just to like get that nice blend. I really do love it a lot. It's just very beautiful, and it makes, when you use a clean brush to finish blending, it just makes everything amazing. Now I'm using my concealer, L'Oreal Concealer by True Match, and honestly, sorry guys, if I keep saying honestly, just like literally just fucking, sorry, excuse my language, just literally just smack me in the face. But I'm kidding. But I really love this concealer just because it's got a little brush that it just makes it so much easier to apply. You don't have to go back with a brush, but I actually like to go in with another brush just to pat down the extra product of it, and just so we don't get like the so we don't transfer any of the product to our upper eyelid, you know what I mean, if that makes sense, guys.
Always let the day slip away. I should have been making up my mind. I never opened up.
So now I'm actually, just like I said, I'm just using a Wet n Wild flat brush just to like get the product back in there and just getting it nice and smooth so there's not any excess. And I'm using the same brush from the maroon shade, and I'm just blending the outside of the concealer. That way we get that nice blend from the other shades that we're going to be using for our eyelid. Now the next shade is like a burnt, I want to say it's like a burnt shimmer shade. It's really pretty. I really love this shade. And I'm using a Wet n Wild brush as well just to apply the product. And as you can see, it's kind of like this gold burnt shade, and it's really pretty. I don't know, I just really like this shade a lot. And then the next is more of a white shimmer, like super white, and I'm actually just using the same brush but on the other side. That way I can like rotate it back and forth just to get that beautiful blend. I don't know if that makes sense, guys.
Sometimes I dream about going back, keeping all the things I left behind. But now I know you can't change the past, way too young to know the reason why.
Alright, my tinies, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Now this look is honestly like a Thanksgiving look. I absolutely love how it turned out. Now guys, just don't mind me here. I'm trying to be like a bad BITC age, and obviously that's not working out. But anyways, like, this is a beautiful look for Thanksgiving. If you guys are going out, hanging out with your family, it's super easy. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my tinies. Mwah.
Reason why.